what we have here is a 3-tiered area, really.
Correct.
Right, and this is phase 2.5 almost. Or
might be 4 or 5. It's okay, yeah.
So in this upper area, we have our raised structure that's going to be built. We have the home, and we have the retaining wall, which is part of phase 2 or 3 or whatever that was.
Correct.
Now you designed in some amphitheater seating.
We did.
And then a lower circular area.
We did.
So we took it and broke it out, didn't we? We took it and broke this one big project into 3 smaller projects. So we have the upper patio area, right, which we have the house and we have the wall and all that kind of stuff. And we broke that out so that we have all the stakes, what we call a staking plan.
Correct.
So stake 1 and stake 2 represent where our pavement is going to hit the foundation wall of the house. Now we have BM written up here, that's the benchmark.
Exactly.
And we're using the man door, right, the threshold.
We're using the threshold. So our benchmark is 0. The reason we call that 0 is it never moves. So if we need to come out, if a stake gets busted, if we move this, whatever, we can restake off that staking plan after excavation. It doesn't matter because our 0 is the same.
That's right.
That's the whole point.
We're not going to actually have our pavement hit 0, are we?
No, we're going at minus 0.5, minus a half an inch, because the last thing you want to do is bring the pavers right up to the sill.
That's right.
It's a terrible idea. You don't do it with decks, you don't do it with pavers, you don't do it
We have a
with...
freeze-thaw susceptible climate, a defrost line, we have snow in this environment, and we're also going to level across that wall because you don't want to go up and down those steps with a 1-inch pitch, stepping down here 6 inches, stepping down there 7. So all this is going to be level, and I see that we've got a drain drawn in here, all pitched over to that drain, and then eventually out to the environment, which is cool. Now we've taken that drawing and we put it onto a grading plan. So all our existing conditions are marked. You see drain for number 8, the 8th state. You see our finished grade at 0 minus a half, which you just mentioned, top of base and bottom of excavation. So we know exactly how much we're going to dig from this job. So what I did, I think this is going to be very helpful. We have the drawing of the upper area and the grading schedule, the middle area, the grading schedule, the upper area, and the grading schedule for the team. But I took it a step further and I made you a job jacket.
Thank you.
So you can give this to the guys.
I most certainly will.
And we can go out there together. We can shoot the existing conditions
I'd love to do
and
that.
get this job started.
Sounds excellent.
Great. Come on, let's go out there.
Let's do it. All right.